Life today has become very complicated and chaotic. And interestingly, what he's talking about in factual subconsciousness, factual way of living, is something that I personally sort of have been delving into without realizing that there was a term for it. So it was interesting to note that even when you're working, you can take holidays. When you're on holiday, you can work, and you can combine both the consciousness and the unconsciousness together, and sort of also because that is the present moment, the movement of the moment today. And what I thought was interesting because it is something that I have thought of but not been able to emote or even put a finger to. But with this book, it's interesting because you can actually know steps, and you can actually change the way you think, and how to go about things, because I think that most of us are there is too much information today, and that is important. To how do you not just delete, like he says, it's not about or, but it's about and, using the information within the internet and also using the information outside, which is combining reading with looking at Google for information and knowledge also, which is absolutely correct. But what going further, I think what is important is, even for living in life today, it's about living in both spaces. So you can have leisure and workspace, and actually have work in leisure space, and let it not sort of go against the grain. And I think that was very interesting, because it's true, because today everything is becoming chaotic in every sphere, and to be able to live within these extreme boundaries is what makes the book very interesting.